Welcome to Chicago. You're in one of the world's greatest cities, and you're ready to explore. But how do you get around without spending a fortune on taxis and rideshares? The answer is right here, the Chicago Transit Authority, or CTA. The CTA is our city's lifeblood, a vast network of trains and buses that connects you to every neighborhood, every iconic landmark, and every hidden gem. Whether you're heading to a museum, catching a game at Wrigley Field, or just exploring the vibrant streets, the CTA is your key to a seamless and authentic Chicago experience. In this video, we'll demystify the system so you can ride like a local from your very first trip. The CTA is made up of two essential components, the L trains and the buses. Let's start with the trains, which are the backbone of the system. The L lines is short for elevated and are color-coded and run on tracks both above ground and in subways. Think of them as the express routes. The red and blue lines are your heroes running 24/7, with the blue line connecting you directly to O'Hare Airport and the red line serving major downtown hubs and both baseball stadiums. Each line has its own color and unique route, so you'll want to get familiar with the map at transitchicago.com to know where they go. Now, where the trains don't go, the buses will take you. The CTA bus system is a massive network with over 100 routes that fill in the gaps, serving countless neighborhoods and getting you right to the front door of your destination. You'll find bus stops on almost every major street corner, with signs indicating the route numbers and destinations. The buses are a fantastic way to see the city at street level and are often the best choice for shorter trips or reaching specific locations. Now for the most important part, how to pay. The CTA uses a system called Ventra. The easiest way to pay is with a Ventra card, which is a reusable plastic card you can load with money or passes. You can get one from a Ventra vending machine at any L station or at hundreds of retailers like Walgreens. The card itself has a small purchase fee, but that fee is refunded as transit value when you register it, which you can do online. But here's a pro tip for visitors. You might not even need a Ventra card. The CTA has made it incredibly easy to pay with what you already have. You can simply use a contactless credit or debit card, or even your phone with Apple Pay or Google Pay. Just tap your card or phone on the reader at the turnstile or on the bus, and you're good to go. This is a pay-as-you-go option and is perfect for a quick trip or two. Now, for those who prefer cash, there are a few important things to know. You can use cash to pay for a bus ride, but you must have exact change. The bus drivers don't carry change, and transfers are not available when paying with cash. For trains, you cannot pay with cash at the turnstile. You'll need to use the cash at a Ventra vending machine to either purchase a single ride ticket or to load value onto a Ventra card before you can enter the train station. Let's spend a couple of minutes talking about the Ventra card and the Ventra app, which are the cornerstones of the CTA payment system. You can purchase disposable Ventra tickets, but the card is what you need to use it with the app. The Ventra card isn't just for single rides, it's designed for flexibility. You can load it with transit value, which works like a debit card for each trip, or with an unlimited ride pass. These passes are a fantastic value for visitors with options for 1-day, 3-day, or 7-day passes that give you unlimited rides on both trains and buses for a set price. A A huge benefit of the Ventra card is the Ventra app. By downloading the app on your phone, you can register your physical Ventra card, which protects your balance if the card is lost or stolen. The app also allows you to manage your account from anywhere. You can check your balance, see your ride history, and most importantly, instantly add transit value or buy passes without having to find a vending machine. The app also lets you add a digital Ventra card to your phone's wallet, turning your phone into your ticket to ride. So to summarize, the Ventra card is your multi-purpose key to the CTA. It's like having your own Ventra vending machine right in your pocket. For anyone planning to spend a significant amount of time in Chicago, the app, linked with the Ventra card, is your best bet. You've now got the essential knowledge to ride the CTA like a seasoned Chicagoan. Here's a quick recap of the most important takeaways. First, remember the two pillars of the CTA, the L trains for fast, long-distance travel, and the buses for getting into the heart of the neighborhoods. Second, your best friend is the Ventra system. Whether you use a physical Ventra card loaded with a multi-day pass, or simply tap your contactless credit card or phone, you now know how to pay with ease. And finally, don't be intimidated. The CTA is designed to be accessible and efficient. With these tips, you're ready to confidently navigate the city, save money, and truly experience Chicago's vibrant culture from street level. So go ahead and explore. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the L.